Hello, my name is Harish. Let's learn about the animals ABC song. A is for axolotl. B is for Bengal tiger. C is for chinchilla. D is for desert snake. E is for elephant shrew. F is for flea. G is for gibbon. H is for honey wasp. I is for ibis. J is for Japanese snake. K is for kitten. Oh, I switched to the wrong way. L is for leopard snake. M is for mouse fish. N is for narwhal. O is for otter. P is for prairie dog. Q is for queenfish. R is for rabbit fish. S is for stork. T is for tapir. U is for Utta prairie dog. V is for vole. W is for white tiger. X is for oryx. Y is for yapok. Z is for zebra frog. Hello, bye bye. I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.